I'm John Boys with Nicola Logworks here in the Nicola Valley. Today I want to talk to you about robot-built log structures. For 30 years we've been well known for some of the best handcrafted log houses in the world. But we knew we had to change what we were doing. We had to increase the efficiency of our process, the accuracy of our cutting, reduce the wear and tear on our bodies from running chainsaws, and that's where the robot came in. The robot is really just another tool that's allowing our skilled tradesmen to build extraordinary buildings. It's doing the heavy lifting. My guys are no longer spending 8 hours running a chainsaw. They're making decisions about what's going to be cut, how it's going to be cut. They're doing some of the fine hand work. But the robot is allowing us to cut buildings at lower cost, faster, from very large natural shaped logs. The technology is now a much more high-tech process, but it still starts with the customer. What is it the customer wants to do? The design process is key, getting it right on paper, but then in a 3D model. So 3D modeling is critical. Once we have it 3D modeled in architectural, where you can walk through, see and understand the building, what it's going to look like and how you're going to live in it, then the process starts to translate that 3D model into code that the robot understands. Then picking the right pieces in the right location, laying it out, making the decisions on what goes where, putting it in front of the robot, referencing it, and having the robot cut it to an accuracy of under 1 millimeter, over lengths of up to 13, 14 meters. What the robot really wants to build is a style of log building called post and beam and panelized pièce en pièce. It's a non-settling log structure. It allows an incredible amount of design freedom. You can build out of square, octagonal. If you want solid glass wall, I can give you a solid glass wall, while still having the aesthetic of the log and carrying the loads with large diameter logs. So having that natural feel, but with other materials involved. So the robot has been a game changer, both for ourselves as builders, but more importantly for you as a customer. It allows us to build at a speed and an accuracy that I could only dream of when I was building with a chainsaw and a chisel. At the end of the day, I go home very satisfied with the work we've done, but not exhausted by the process, and you end up with an extraordinary home at significantly lower cost than I could produce it 20 years ago.